In the beginning, there was code. Not just any code, but the foundation of a new digital era. Lines of it, intricate and complex, birthing a new reality. This code was the lifeblood of a revolutionary concept. This wasn't the Genesis described in religious texts, but the emergence of Bitcoin, a digital currency challenging our understanding of creation and value. It was a new dawn in the financial world. Bitcoin, a decentralized digital currency, has sparked debates about its origins and implications. Its creation has led to endless discussions among technologists, economists, and even philosophers. Is its creation a purely technological feat, or could it be interpreted as part of a larger, perhaps even divine plan? Some see it as a marvel of human ingenuity, while others ponder its deeper significance. The very question may seem absurd to some, yet it invites us to explore the intersection of technology and philosophy. After all, we live in a scientific age where reason and evidence reign supreme, but even in this age, the mysteries of Bitcoin provoke curiosity and wonder. Yet the profound impact of Bitcoin, its potential to reshape economies and power structures, compels us to consider perspectives beyond the purely technical. It challenges us to think about the future of money and trust. Could there be a deeper meaning embedded in its creation? Perhaps in this digital age, Bitcoin is more than just a currency. It is a symbol of a new era of possibilities. To understand Bitcoin, one must first understand its technical underpinnings. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency, a form of digital asset secured by cryptography. It operates on a decentralized network called a blockchain, a distributed ledger that records transactions across many computers. This decentralized nature is key to Bitcoin's allure. It operates independently of central banks or governments. Bitcoin transactions are verified by network nodes through cryptography and recorded in a public distributed ledger called a blockchain. This revolutionary technology ensures transparency and security. It eliminates the need for intermediaries like banks. The creator or group of creators, known as Satoshi Nakamoto, remains anonymous, adding to the mystique surrounding Bitcoin. Throughout history, humans have grappled with the nature of creation. Religious narratives often attribute the origin of the universe and life itself to a divine being. We are, in many of these accounts, created in God's image. Does this image encompass our capacity for innovation and creation? If we are indeed made in the image of a creator, then our ability to innovate and shape the world around us could be seen as an extension of that divine spark. Just as God brought forth the universe, we too strive to create and build. Bitcoin in this light could be viewed as a testament to the creative potential embedded within humanity. The creation of Bitcoin is but the latest chapter in a long history of human innovation. From the discovery of fire to the invention of the wheel, the printing press and the internet, humanity has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible. Each innovation in its time was likely met with a mixture of awe and apprehension. Fire, once considered a gift from the gods, became a tool for warmth, cooking, and protection. The printing press, initially seen as a threat to established power structures, democratized knowledge and fueled the Renaissance. Technology, throughout history, has been a double-edged sword, capable of both great good and great harm. Section 5. The Double-Edged Sword of Innovation, Ethical Considerations of Bitcoin. Bitcoin, like all powerful technologies, presents its own set of ethical dilemmas. Its decentralized nature, while appealing to some, raises concerns about regulation and its potential use for illicit activities. The environmental impact of Bitcoin mining, which requires significant energy consumption, is another area of concern. Furthermore, the volatility of Bitcoin's value raises questions about its long-term viability as a currency. Its use in speculative trading has led to both massive gains and devastating losses. As with any new technology, careful consideration of its potential consequences is essential. Section 6. Bitcoin and the Divine Plan. Exploring the intersection of faith and technology. For those who believe in a divine plan, the emergence of Bitcoin might be interpreted as part of a larger narrative unfolding. This digital currency, with its decentralized nature, challenges traditional financial systems and offers a new way of thinking about money and value. Could it be a tool for good, a way to empower the marginalized and challenge existing power structures? In many parts of the world, Bitcoin has provided financial inclusion to those who were previously unbanked, offering them a chance to participate in the global economy. Or is it a harbinger of instability, a threat to the established order? Critics argue that Bitcoin's volatility and potential for misuse pose significant risks to economic stability and security. The answers to these questions are far from clear. As with any revolutionary technology, Bitcoin's impact is complex and multifaceted, and its long-term effects remain to be seen. What is certain is that Bitcoin's creation has sparked a dialogue that extends far beyond the realm of finance and technology. It has become a topic of discussion in academic circles, religious communities, and among policymakers. It has forced us to confront fundamental questions about the nature of value, the role of technology in society, and our place in the grand scheme of things. As we navigate this new landscape, the intersection of faith and technology will continue to be a rich field for exploration and debate. Section 7. A Decentralized Future. Bitcoin and the Distribution of Power. One of the most significant implications of Bitcoin is its potential to disrupt existing power structures. By decentralizing control over currency, Bitcoin challenges the authority of central banks and governments. This has profound implications for the future of finance and, by extension, for the distribution of power in the world. For some, this represents a utopian vision, a world where financial power is returned to the people. For others, it raises concerns about instability and the potential for chaos. Only time will tell how this decentralized revolution will unfold. Section 8. The nature of belief in a technological world. The debate surrounding Bitcoin's creation also highlights the evolving nature of belief in a technological age. As science and technology advance, traditional religious beliefs are often challenged, yet the human need for meaning, for something larger than ourselves, persists. Could it be that technology itself is becoming a new form of religion, with its own set of beliefs, rituals, and prophets? Or are we witnessing a synthesis, a blending of ancient faiths with modern innovations? These are questions that will continue to shape our understanding of both the sacred and the secular. Section 9. The future of money, the future of faith, the future of humanity. In the end, the question of whether God created Bitcoin may be unanswerable and ultimately irrelevant. What truly matters is the profound impact this technology will have on our world, our societies, and our daily lives. What matters is the impact this technology will have on our world. Will it change the way we interact, the way we trade, and the way we trust one another? Will it usher in an era of greater equality and prosperity, or will it exacerbate existing inequalities and conflicts? The potential for both outcomes exists, and it is up to us to navigate this new landscape wisely. The future remains unwritten, but one thing is certain. The creation of Bitcoin has set in motion a chain of events with the potential to reshape our world in profound ways. This digital revolution is not just about currency, it's about the very fabric of our society. As we navigate this uncharted territory, we would do well to remember the lessons of the past, to learn from the rise and fall of civilizations, and to understand the importance of ethical considerations in technological advancements. To approach innovation with both caution and a sense of wonder, recognizing the immense possibilities while being mindful of the potential pitfalls, and to never lose sight of our shared humanity. In the end, technology should serve to bring us closer together, not drive us further apart. What will our creation story be? The choices we make today will shape the narrative of tomorrow.